In the last video, I would have gone over the elements here where you can drag and drop or click onto the page to really edit anything that you so wish. So let me just review it once more. You just drag and you drop an item, you click on it, you come to the side here, you choose the image, and whatever image that you choose, you can easily edit it to fit your recommendations by going into style. So let's move on. I am coming back onto the dashboard and I will be going back into post. And I will be deleting this post by simply hovering over it and selecting the trash button. The trash button, and I can just come into the trash and then permanently delete it by permanently deleting it from the trash. And that is it for making an article. But what if you want to edit a page? Maybe you don't like a design on the home page. Maybe you want to change an image. So what you need to do is simply come onto pages. Here, you click pages. And when you click pages, all of the pages on the website will show up. Let us edit the home page. So what do we do to edit the home page? We simply hover over it with your mouse and click edit with Elementor. And now you will see why I showed you how to add an article in the previous video. Because adding an article and editing the homepage is the exact same system. So let's say I want to change my logo to something else. I just click my logo. And with one click, you would see that it has popped up. And I can just press on the side here. Once more, everything here happens on the side. Everything is on the side here, right? So I click it once and then on the side will change. And I can choose whatever logo that I want. So I'll just click the soap. And now I want the soap to be the logo, but it's too big. So what do? I want to change the style of the image. So I come into style, which is at the top here, exactly like the articles, like what I did in the articles. And I just adjust the width. And now I can get my logo to fit on the page in a size that I like. What if I want to change this button now from shop now? You simply click it once. And as I said, it would change. This panel here on the side would change. And we can now edit the text. It says shop now. We can make it say buy now. Or if you want to make it a link to a contact, you just name it contact. And you paste the link for the page that you want it to go to. In this case, you would want it to go to the contact us page. So all we would do is change the link to the contact us page. Of course, you can also copy and paste the link by opening the contact us page, clicking the copy button here, and pasting the link here. And now, anytime they click this button, instead of they going to shop, they can now go to the contact you page. If we scroll down a little more, what if we want to change the background of this image here with the candles? So that's a little more steps, but it's nothing hard. So what we would do is simply hover over it and we would see this little panel here that has an X and some dots. We would click the one with the dots. And if I click the one with the dots, you would see the panel change again on the side and we will come into style. If we come into style, we can now see that the image is here and we can change the image by choosing one. Let's just choose a random image just for sake of video. And now the image has changed, but we're going to change it back by simply clicking, and I'll just pick this one again and now it is changed back. We will continue more in the